Hi, my name is Theo and you're watching Explore Oita, Japan. When you visit Oita, you probably think about, I'm gonna do some hot spring. But do you wanna do something new? Today, we come to Kuju Forest Park to try to do some ski. But because I'm the really beginner, I'm kind of worried about that. That's why I invite my friend, Gus, to help me. Please come in.
Hello there, people call me Gus.
The Kuju Mountain Range is located on the border of Kokonoe Town and Taketa City in the west of Oita Prefecture. It is a part of Aso Kuju National Park with various activities for you to enjoy. At Kuju Forest Park skiing ground, you have a total of 6 slopes. There are courses for different skill levels, a mini park for snowboarders, and even a sledding playground for children.
Alright, now we have some basic gear that's needed for skiing. We have a helmet with some goggles, we have a skiing jacket, and we have some skiing pants, and also boots.
Yes.
And if you come to Kuju Forest Park on a whim, or you don't have any gear yourself, then you don't have to worry. You can get it from the rental shop over here. The people are knowledgeable and you can trust them.
If you're a beginner like me, you can join a lesson or learn with a private instructor here.
Okay, my name is Yut and I'll be your coach for the next 90 minutes. And our goal today is to be able to ski down the hill. And if we could go a little bit further, maybe take the lift.
Okay.
Okay, let's do it. This is your ski poles. We're gonna use it in the beginning, but towards the end, maybe not so much. And this is your skis. Okay, now we're gonna put on our skis and try to take a walk first. When you start walking, take a look at the hillside so that no one is skiing down.
Okay.
And we're gonna go. Try to look forward,
Okay.
not look at your skis.
Okay.
Look at the direction you're going. And we're gonna take a turn here.
Okay. Wow.
And now we're gonna try to make a wedge, which is a triangle shape. This is like the basic stance. You're gonna need this to slow down, to stop.
Okay.
And when you make this position, try to put your knees forward.
Okay.
Your knees are always forward, touching your boots ton,
Okay.
and relax.
I try to relax.
Yeah. Look at my face, look at, yes, and make the triangle. Keep doing it, keep doing it. Keep the triangle. Yes,
Okay.
look at you. Yay.
Yes. Yes.
At the moment, the weather is not in our favor and we haven't had like big snow. But in the end of December, we're hoping that it's gonna be more snow. I've been skiing since I was 5, I guess.
That's about the same as me.
Can all of your family ski?
I mean, my dad can, my mom can, my brother kinda can.
I kinda can ski right now. Yes, I can ski.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go first. See you guys at the bottom. Good luck.
Okay, I will try my best.
We're gonna ski down the hill now. Even though the slope is steeper and longer, just make sure that you keep your triangle and
Okay.
control speed and you're gonna be okay.
Okay,
Let's go.
let's go.
Keep the triangle, look forward, and relax.
Is it big enough, this triangle?
Let's go slower. Let's go a little bit slower. Make bigger triangle. Yeah.
Okay.
Look at you.
Woohoo!
We are doing it.
Yeah. So right now, I'm all by myself. I'm doing this alone. Kind of nervous, but have confidence. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
I hope you guys had fun.
Yeah, I had lots of fun. Actually, it's my first time doing ski. I totally love it.
Yeah, thank you. I haven't been skiing for years, so thanks to you, I finally got back into shape and can hit the slopes again.
The next time when I see you guys, I hope we're gonna ski down from the top.
Definitely,
Yeah.
I think I totally can. I have this kind of confidence.
All right, I'm looking forward to it.
Today is the second day that the skiing ground opens this season, so there is a mochi throwing event to celebrate it. Too bad I didn't catch any. How it tastes like?
Fine, I guess.
There is also a cafe serving curry rice, noodles, and ice cream. It fits perfectly with my mood right now.
Well, how was it?
It's really good.
Well, did you enjoy your skiing lessons?
I already feel like I'm a professional right now.
Keep on believing that.
Okay, but what do you think about it?
Well, I certainly enjoyed it. It was nice to ski for the first time in 4 years.
4 years?
Yep, last time I did was 4 years ago in Italy.
But right now you're in Oita, you can come here more often.
Well, yes I can and I probably should. And that's what I encourage you to do, my dear viewers. If you happen to be in Oita and have a desire to try skiing, even if you're a beginner and have no equipment, come here. They're gonna provide that for you.
Thank you for watching Explore Oita Japan. We'll see you next time.